Meaning of food mile.
Food mile.
Food mile.
Food mile.
Food mile. Food mile refers to the distance that food travels from its source to the consumer. The concept was first introduced in response to concerns about the environmental impact of food transportation and the associated greenhouse gas emissions. The greater the distance traveled, the higher the carbon footprint of the food. In addition, long-distance transportation may also affect the freshness and nutritional quality of the food. As a result, some consumers choose to purchase locally produced food as a way to reduce their carbon footprint and support sustainable agriculture practices.